a raise. Skill-based pay. Instead of paying purely for the job title, you pay for the competencies an employee acquires. As they learn more, they earn more. This encourages a culture of continuous learning. Section 3. Incentive alignment, the performance engine. A growth-oriented salary structure must include variable pay. This bridges the gap between fixed costs and company success. Short-term incentives, STI annual bonuses linked to hitting specific KPIs, key performance indicators. Long-term incentives, LTI stock options or profit sharing. This is the ultimate growth strategy because it turns employees into owners. When the company grows, they grow. The golden rule: incentives must be transparent and achievable. If the goals are too high, they become a demotivator rather than a growth driver. Section 4. The step-by-step implementation. To apply this strategy, follow these 4 steps. 1. Job evaluation. Rank roles based on their value to your growth goals, not just seniority. 2. Market pricing. Use data to see what competitors are paying for those specific growth-driving roles. 3. Define grades. Set the minimum, midpoint, and maximum for each grade to allow for merit-based raises. 4. Communicate. Professionalism in compensation requires total clarity. Employees should know exactly how they can move from the bottom of their range to the top. Conclusion and call to action. Your salary structure is a reflection of your values. If you want a growth-minded team, you need a growth-minded pay scale. Which strategy does your company use? Do they lead, lag, or match the market? Let's discuss the pros and cons in the comments below. If you found this strategic breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into management and leadership. See you in the next video.